Welcome to our channel. In this video we will be discussing the topic navigating the future, AI, tech warfare, and emerging risks in 2024. So sit and let's get started. In today's world, technology is advancing at a rapid pace. With each passing year, we see new emerging technologies that are changing the way we live, work, and communicate with each other. However, along with the benefits of these new technologies come emerging risks and challenges that we must navigate in order to stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we will be discussing some of the biggest emerging risks and challenges that we can expect to face in the year 2024. From the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, to the constant threat of tech warfare, we will be exploring the potential impact of these risks and discussing how we can best prepare for them. Join us as we take a deep dive into the future of technology and explore the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Introduction: setting the stage for the future. The world we once knew is transforming before our eyes, and it is crucial to navigate this ever-changing terrain with a clear understanding of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. In this blog series, we will delve into the realm of the future, shedding light on the latest developments in AI, the intricacies of tech warfare, and the emerging risks that come hand in hand. As we embark on this journey, it is essential to recognize the immense potential that AI holds. From automation and machine learning to natural language processing and robotics, AI has revolutionized industries across the board, driving efficiency, innovation, and productivity. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and navigating the future of AI requires a careful consideration of ethical implications, privacy concerns, and the impact on the workforce. In parallel, the realm of tech warfare presents an entirely new set of challenges. Cyber attacks, data breaches, and digital espionage have become all too common, threatening national security, corporate interests, and individual privacy. As nations engage in a race for technological supremacy, the stakes are higher than ever, and the need for robust cybersecurity measures and international cooperation becomes paramount. While the future holds immense promise, it is not without its share of risks. The rapid advancement of AI raises concerns about job displacement, the ethical implications of autonomous weapons, and the potential for AI to be manipulated for malicious purposes. It is crucial to address these emerging risks head-on and proactively shape the future to ensure its benefits are distributed equitably and its dangers mitigated. In the upcoming sections of this blog series, we will explore these topics in greater detail, diving into the intricacies of AI, the dynamics of tech warfare, and the strategies to navigate the emerging risks. By equipping ourselves with knowledge, foresight, and proactive measures, we can harness the power of technology for the betterment of society while mitigating its inherent risks. Join us on this journey as we navigate the future, unraveling the complexities of AI, tech warfare, and the emerging risks that lie ahead. Together, let us forge a path that embraces innovation, safeguards our security, and ensures a future built on the principles of ethics, responsibility, and inclusivity. The rise of AI, opportunities and challenges. One of the key opportunities presented by AI is its ability to streamline processes and improve efficiency. From automating mundane tasks to augmenting human capabilities, AI has the potential to enhance productivity and drive innovation across various sectors. Companies can leverage AI to analyze vast amounts of data, uncover valuable insights, and make data-driven decisions that can lead to competitive advantages. However, along with these opportunities, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main concerns is the impact of AI on the job market. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, there are concerns about job displacement and the need for reskilling or upskilling the workforce. It is vital for organizations and policymakers to proactively address these challenges by investing in training programs and creating new opportunities that align with the evolving needs of the job market. Another challenge lies in the ethical considerations surrounding AI. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, questions arise about privacy, bias, and accountability. The ethical use of AI should be a priority, ensuring transparency and fairness in decision-making algorithms, protecting user data, and addressing potential biases that can perpetuate inequalities. Furthermore, the rise of AI also brings to light the importance of cybersecurity. With AI-powered technologies becoming more integrated into our lives, the risk of cyber threats and attacks increases. It is crucial to develop robust security measures and protocols to safeguard against potential vulnerabilities and protect sensitive information. In navigating the future, it is essential to embrace the opportunities presented by AI while actively addressing the challenges it brings. By fostering collaboration between technology experts, policymakers, and stakeholders, we can shape a future where AI is harnessed for the benefit of society while mitigating potential risks. Tech warfare, the new battlefield. Gone are the days when battles were fought solely on the ground or in the air. Today, the digital realm has become a new battlefield, with nations investing heavily in artificial intelligence, AI, cyber warfare capabilities, and other emerging technologies to gain a competitive edge. AI, in particular, has revolutionized military operations. From autonomous drones and robots to predictive analytics and facial recognition systems, AI has the potential to greatly enhance a nation's military capabilities. It enables faster decision-making, improved situational awareness, and increased precision in targeting enemy forces. However, with the rise of tech warfare comes new risks and challenges. Cyber attacks have become a prevalent threat, with hackers targeting critical infrastructure, communication networks, and even weapon systems. The potential for AI to be manipulated or hacked raises concerns about the ethics and security of using such technologies in warfare. Moreover, the race for technological superiority has led to an arms race in the digital realm. Nations are constantly seeking to develop and deploy advanced technologies, leading to a complex web of rivalries and alliances. This creates a delicate balance of power, where any misstep or miscalculation could have far-reaching consequences. As we navigate the future, it is crucial to understand the implications of tech warfare. Governments, policymakers, and military strategists must grapple with the ethical, legal, and strategic challenges posed by AI, cyber warfare, and other emerging technologies. In conclusion, tech warfare has emerged as a new battleground, where nations vie for dominance through the use of advanced technologies. While these technologies offer immense potential, they also come with significant risks and challenges. Navigating this complex landscape requires careful consideration of the ethical, legal, and strategic implications to ensure a secure and stable future. Emerging risks in 2024: cybersecurity threats. With AI becoming increasingly sophisticated, hackers are finding innovative ways to exploit vulnerabilities in systems. From AI-powered malware to deepfake attacks, the threats are evolving at an alarming pace. The potential consequences of a cyber attack in this digital era are immense, from stolen personal information to disrupted critical infrastructure. To combat these emerging risks, organizations must invest in cutting-edge cybersecurity technologies and strategies. Implementing multi-factor authentication, encryption, and intrusion detection systems are just a few examples of the measures that need to be taken. Regular security audits and employee training programs are also crucial to ensure that everyone in the organization is aware of the latest threats and knows how to respond effectively. Moreover, collaboration between governments, businesses, and cybersecurity experts is essential. Sharing information and best practices can help in staying one step ahead of cybercriminals. It is a collective responsibility to safeguard our digital ecosystems and protect sensitive data from falling into the wrong hands. In conclusion, the emergence of AI and the escalating tech warfare in 2024 bring about new and complex cybersecurity risks. Organizations must be proactive in their approach to cybersecurity, investing in advanced technologies and fostering a culture of cyber awareness. By staying vigilant and adapting to the evolving threat landscape, we can navigate the future with confidence and ensure a safer digital world for all. 5. Ethical concerns and the role of AI in society. One of the main ethical concerns surrounding AI is the potential for bias and discrimination. AI systems are designed to learn from vast amounts of data, but if that data is biased or discriminatory, it can perpetuate those same biases in its decision-making processes. This raises questions about fairness, justice, and equal opportunities for all individuals. Another ethical concern is the potential loss of jobs due to automation. As AI technology continues to advance, there is a fear that many jobs will be replaced by machines, leading to unemployment and socioeconomic disparities. It is important to find a balance between utilizing AI to improve efficiency and productivity while also considering the impact it may have on the workforce. Additionally, the issue of privacy and data security arises with the increased use of AI. AI systems require vast amounts of data to function effectively, and this raises concerns about how that data is collected, stored, and used. Protecting individuals' privacy and ensuring the security of sensitive information is crucial in the age of AI. The role of AI in society is a complex topic that requires careful consideration. While AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve the quality of life for many, it is essential to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that its implementation is done in a responsible and beneficial manner. As we navigate the future, it is imperative to address these ethical concerns and engage in meaningful discussions to shape the role of AI in society. By actively considering the potential risks and benefits, we can work towards harnessing the power of AI while upholding ethical standards and safeguarding the well-being of individuals and communities. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment to our video and also press the notification button for the next video.